Are you tired of sneezing, congestion and itchy eyes every allergy season? You don't have to resign yourself to a life of tissues and allergy meds. Instead of relying on medication, I'll show you powerful natural remedies to relieve your allergies and strengthen your immune system. We'll be diving deep into simple things you can do every day to feel better. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Let's talk about the foundation of good health, especially during allergy season. Staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps to thin the mucus, making it easier for your body to flush out those pesky allergens. Now, when I say fluids, I want you to think beyond just water. Herbal teas are amazing, especially ones like nettle tea, which we'll talk more about later. And don't forget about bone broth. It's like a superfood for your gut and helps to reduce inflammation throughout your body. One of my favorite ways to start the day during allergy season is with a warm cup of lemon water with a touch of honey. Lemon acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins, while honey can soothe a scratchy throat. Opt for raw, local honey if you can, as it contains beneficial pollen that can actually help build up your immunity over time. Now let's talk about the power of anti-inflammatory teas. These teas can be absolute game changers when it comes to managing allergy symptoms. They work by targeting inflammation in the body, which is a major trigger for those pesky allergy symptoms. First up, we have peppermint tea. I love peppermint tea because it's naturally refreshing and invigorating, and it works wonders for clearing up nasal congestion. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant, helping to open up those airways and making it easier to breathe. Next, we have nettle tea, which I mentioned earlier. Nettle tea is like nature's antihistamine. It contains compounds that block the body's release of histamine, which is the culprit behind those annoying allergy symptoms like sneezing and itching. And of course, we can't forget about ginger tea. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. So the next time you're feeling those allergy symptoms creeping up, try sipping on some of these incredible teas. Here's what you need to know about a technique that's incredibly effective at relieving nasal congestion and flushing out allergens: the saline rinse or neti pot. Essentially, it involves gently flushing out your nasal passages with a saline solution, which helps to remove mucus, allergens, and irritants. Think of it like giving your sinuses a refreshing bath. The neti pot looks like a small teapot with a long spout, and you use it to pour the saline solution through one nostril and out the other. If you're new to this, you can also use a simple saline rinse bottle, which works in a similar way but with less pouring involved. Make sure to use distilled or sterilized water when preparing your saline solution to avoid any potential infections. Now, let's take a closer look at the power of food. Did you know that what you eat can actually help combat allergies? It's true. Certain foods are packed with nutrients that have anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. First up, we have foods rich in vitamin C. This powerhouse vitamin is a natural antihistamine, meaning it helps to lower histamine levels in the body. Some of my favorite sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits and lemons, as well as bell peppers, strawberries and broccoli. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their incredible anti-inflammatory properties. You can find them in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines, as well as in plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds and walnuts. And let's not forget about the importance of gut health. Did you know that a healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system? That's where probiotics come in. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and help to keep your immune system balanced. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. Let's explore the world of natural antihistamines. These powerful compounds found in nature can provide relief from allergy symptoms without the unwanted side effects of conventional medications. First on our list is quercetin. This potent antioxidant is found in a variety of fruits and vegetables, including apples, onions, berries, and green tea. Quercetin works by stabilizing mast cells, which are responsible for releasing histamine during an allergic reaction. Next up is bromelain, an enzyme derived from pineapples. Bromelain is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it's been shown to help improve breathing by reducing nasal swelling and congestion. You can find bromelain supplements at most health food stores, or you can simply enjoy some fresh pineapple. And finally, we have butterbur extract. Butterbur works similarly to conventional antihistamines, but without the drowsiness and other side effects. Let's talk about creating a safe haven in your own home, a place where you can breathe easy and escape the clutches of pollen and allergens. First and foremost, consider investing in a good quality air purifier. Look for one with a HEPA filter, as these are designed to trap even the tiniest of particles, including pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. Place the air purifier in your bedroom or any other room where you spend a lot of time. On high pollen days, keep those windows closed. I know it's tempting to let the fresh air in, but unfortunately that fresh air often comes with a hefty dose of pollen. After spending time outdoors, make it a habit to shower and change your clothes. This will help to remove any pollen that may have clung to your hair, skin, and clothing. Now, it's time to discuss the often overlooked aspect of allergies: stress. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which is a hormone that can actually worsen allergy symptoms. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or simply spending time in nature. Did you know that spending time outdoors, surrounded by trees and greenery, can actually help to strengthen your immune system? It's true. Exposure to nature has been shown to increase the diversity of your gut microbiome. And last but not least, prioritize sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can exacerbate allergy symptoms. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest, repair, and recharge. By staying hydrated, eating the right foods, and trying herbal remedies, you can naturally relieve seasonal allergies. It's all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that can make a big difference in how you feel. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural health tips. I'm here to support you on your journey to optimal health and well-being. See you on the next one.